Alright, what up folks and followers, it's your boy Teza Boy. We're back at it again with our next vlog. Alright, so people, whole heap of things are going on, you know, we're up at the garage. Almost had an early start, but it's almost after 10. Yeah, May 18th. So, I'm going to show you what I go on today now. So, we're still on tacking up the flooring on the front of the car. It's already attached to the car, as you guys saw in the last vlog. I'm going to show you what's going on in a bit. So hopefully we can get the welding of the flooring completed today and the front. So by probably tomorrow, May 19th, everything welding wise should be patched out and all that stuff should be completed. So not going to talk too much, just going to get right into it. Alright people, this is going right now. So we grinded all the welded spots.
Something alright.
Rub them down and everything. So basically right now we're gonna go ahead and start priming out those spots that was welded. And this is what you're looking at right now. So this is how it was cut and welded. So this is how it looks right now. No subframe at the front, no subframe at the back. By now that episode would have been out about the subframe removal, restoration, what was done. So basically this is where we're at right now. Yeah. Just giving you a walkthrough. See there are all the patted spots. So I'm gonna give you an update when we have primed those spots or painted those spots. Yeah. This is where we're at right now. Alright guys, so update. It's a bit darkish outside now, but we just kinda finished priming inside the parts that we welded, the little patches and stuff. Just showing you what's going on. So as you guys know, we replaced the flooring, so I hope you can see clearly what's happening. So yeah, basically that's what's happening right now. Update. And I was trying a little well right here. Yeah, rocky, but it's good to have it. So I have a little mid plant that I'm trying to help myself. Kind of focus. Not the best well, but get in there. Yeah, feel a little hole right there. Alright, so the bay is still not primed as yet, but as you can see the patches that we did. Yep. That's what's happening right now. One again. Nothing. What? Charge it back. Okay. Alright guys, I want you to go ahead and comment and leave some ideas on what I can do to the flooring in terms of whether it's like undercoating or paint, what kind of paint I can use, what's the best option. Leave some comments and ideas.